Mastering Real Estate, your ultimate guide to financial success. Hi everyone, and welcome to Financial 911 channel. Today, we're going to be talking about mastering real estate and how you can use it to achieve your financial goals. 1. Introduction. Real estate is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available, and it can be used to generate income, appreciate in value, and provide tax benefits. But with so many different aspects to real estate, it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why we've created this video, to give you a comprehensive overview of everything you need to know about mastering real estate. We'll cover everything from the basics of the real estate market to more advanced topics like investing and becoming a real estate agent. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video is for you. So grab a notebook and pen, and let's get started. 2. What is real estate? Real estate is any property, including land, buildings, and natural resources. It is one of the most valuable asset classes in the world. It is a tangible asset that can appreciate over time, and it can be used for a variety of purposes, such as living, working, and investing. It can also generate income through rental income or investment gains. But what exactly is real estate? Definition. Real estate is any land or property, including buildings, fixtures, and natural resources. It is considered real property, as opposed to personal property, which is not permanently attached to the land. Types of real estate. There are three main types of real estate. Residential real estate. This includes homes, apartments, and other properties that are used for living. Residential real estate is by far the largest type of real estate market. Commercial real estate. This includes office buildings, retail stores, hotels, and other properties that are used for business purposes. Commercial real estate is important for economic growth and job creation. Industrial real estate. This includes factories, warehouses, and other properties that are used for manufacturing and distribution. Industrial real estate is essential for the global supply chain. Importance of real estate. Real estate is important for a number of reasons. First, it is a basic human need. Everyone needs a place to live, work, and raise a family. Real estate provides that. Second, real estate can be a valuable investment. Real estate prices have historically trended upwards over time, and real estate can also generate income through rental income or investment gains. Third, real estate is an important driver of economic growth and job creation. The real estate industry employs millions of people around the world, and it is also a major source of tax revenue for governments. 3. The real estate market. The real estate market is one of the most important economic markets in the world. It is the market for buying, selling, and renting real estate, which includes land, buildings, and other property. Basic concepts of the real estate market. The real estate market is affected by a number of basic concepts, including supply and demand, inventory levels, and pricing. Supply and demand. The supply of real estate is the number of homes that are for sale. The demand for real estate is the number of people who want to buy homes. When the supply of homes is greater than the demand, prices tend to go down. When the demand for homes is greater than the supply, prices tend to go up. Inventory levels. The inventory level of real estate is the number of homes that are currently for sale. A low inventory level can lead to higher prices, while a high inventory level can lead to lower prices. Pricing. The price of a home is determined by a number of factors, including the location of the home, the size of the home, the condition of the home, and the current state of the real estate market. Factors that affect the real estate market. A number of factors can affect the real estate market, including the economy. The overall health of the economy can have a significant impact on the real estate market. A strong economy can lead to higher home prices and more demand for homes. A weak economy can lead to lower home prices and less demand for homes. Interest rates. Interest rates are the cost of borrowing money to buy a home. When interest rates are low, it makes it more affordable to buy a home. When interest rates are high, it makes it more expensive to buy a home. Government policies. Government policies, such as tax credits and housing subsidies, can also affect the real estate market. State of the real estate market. The real estate market is constantly changing, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments. The low inventory of homes for sale is one of the main factors that is driving up home prices. The Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates is also putting upward pressure on home prices. The real estate market is a complex and ever-changing market. However, by understanding the basic concepts of the market and the factors that affect it, you can make informed decisions about your real estate investments. 4. Buying a home. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. But with careful planning and preparation, it can be a rewarding experience. The steps involved in buying a home. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you an idea of how much money you can borrow and will make you more competitive in the housing market. Work with a real estate agent. A real estate agent can help you find the right home for your needs and budget. Tips for buyers on how to get the best deal on a home. Be prepared to act quickly. The housing market can be competitive, so it is important to be prepared to act quickly when you find a home that you want to buy. Be willing to negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price with the seller. You may be able to get a better deal if you are willing to compromise on some things. Get everything in writing. Once you have reached an agreement with the seller, make sure to get everything in writing. This will help to protect you in case there are any problems with the sale. The common mistakes that buyers make and how to avoid them. Not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This can lead to problems later in the buying process if you are not able to get approved for a loan. Overpaying for a home. It is important to do your research and make sure you're not overpaying for a home. 5. Selling a home. Selling your home can be a great way to generate cash flow and move up to a larger home. But it's important to sell your home at the right time and for the right price. Selling a home can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll discuss the steps involved in selling a home, provide tips for sellers on how to sell their home quickly and for the best price, and highlight common mistakes that sellers make and how to avoid them. Steps involved in selling a home. Prepare the home for sale. This may involve making repairs, cleaning the home, and staging it to make it look more appealing to potential buyers. Make sure your home is in good condition. Buyers are more likely to be interested in a home that is in good condition and does not need any major repairs. Price your home competitively and correctly. It is important to price your home correctly in order to attract buyers and get the best price. If you price your home too high, it is likely to stay on the market for a longer period of time. Market your home effectively. Market the home to potential buyers. Make sure to list your home on all of the major online listings. This may involve listing the home on online listings and working with a real estate agent who has experience selling homes in your area. And holding open houses. Common mistakes to avoid. Overpricing your home. This can lead to the home staying on the market for a longer period of time and may ultimately force the seller to lower the price. Not making necessary repairs. Buyers are less likely to be interested in a home that needs major repairs. Not marketing your home effectively. If sellers do not market their homes effectively, it may take longer to sell. 6. Real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth and generate income, but it is important to understand the different types of investments, the risks and rewards, and how to get started. Types of real estate investments. There are many different types of real estate investments, but some of the most common include rental properties. Rental properties can generate income through rental income. This is a great way to create passive income, which is income that you earn without having to actively work. Fix and flip properties. Fix and flip properties are properties that investors buy, renovate, and then sell for a profit. This can be a great way to make money quickly, but it is important to have the skills and resources to renovate properties. Vacant land. Vacant land can be used for a variety of purposes, such as building a new home or developing a commercial property. This can be a good investment for long-term growth, but it is important to choose a location that is likely to appreciate in value. Risks and rewards of real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth, but it is important to understand the risks involved. Some of the risks of real estate investing include: the value of the property could decline. The value of real estate can fluctuate over time, so it is possible to lose money on your investment if the value of the property declines. The property could become vacant and generate no income. If you are investing in a rental property, there is a risk that the property could become vacant and generate no income. This can happen if you have difficulty finding tenants or if the tenants move out. The property could require unexpected repairs. Real estate properties can require unexpected repairs, which can be costly. It is important to have a budget for repairs and to be prepared for unexpected expenses. Despite the risks, real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth. Real estate is a tangible asset that can be appreciated in value over time. Additionally, real estate can generate income through rental income or through development. Tips for beginner real estate investors. If you are new to real estate investing, here are a few tips to help you get started. Start small. Don't try to invest in a large property right away. Start with a smaller property that you can afford and manage. This will help you to learn the ropes and minimize your risk. Do your research. Before you invest in any property, it is important to do your research and understand the market. This includes looking at the location of the property, the condition of the property, and the current market value. Work with a professional. Working with a real estate agent and a financial advisor can help you to make informed investment decisions. A real estate agent can help you to find the right property and negotiate the best price. A financial advisor can help you to assess your risk tolerance and develop a financial plan that includes your real estate investment goals. 7. Becoming a real estate agent. Becoming a real estate agent can be a rewarding career, but it is important to understand the steps involved and the different types of real estate agents before you get started. In this section, we will discuss the steps involved in becoming a real estate agent, explain the different types of real estate agents and their roles, and provide tips for new real estate agents on how to be successful. Steps involved in becoming a real estate agent. Get a license. Each state has its own requirements for becoming a real estate agent. You will need to complete a certain number of hours of education and pass an exam in order to get your license. You can find information about the specific requirements in your state on the website of your state's real estate commission. Find a brokerage. Once you have your license, you will need to find a brokerage to work with. A brokerage is a real estate company that employs real estate agents. When choosing a brokerage, it is important to consider factors such as the brokerage's reputation, the commission rates, and the support that the brokerage offers to its agents. Types of real estate agents and their roles. There are two main types of real estate agents: buyer's agents and seller's agents. Buyer's agents represent buyers in real estate transactions. Buyer's agents help buyers to find homes that meet their needs and budget, negotiate contracts, and guide them through the closing process. Seller's agents represent sellers in real estate transactions. Seller's agents help sellers to market their homes, price their homes competitively, and negotiate contracts. Tips for new real estate agents. Build a network. Networking with other real estate professionals and potential clients is essential for success as a real estate agent. You can network by attending industry events, joining real estate associations, and reaching out to people in your community. Provide excellent customer service. Real estate agents need to be able to provide excellent customer service to their clients. This means being responsive to their needs, being honest and upfront with them, and going the extra mile to help them achieve their goals. Stay up to date on the market. The real estate market is constantly changing, so it is important for real estate agents to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments. You can do this by reading real estate industry publications, attending real estate conferences, and taking continuing education courses. 8. Build wealth and financial security with real estate. There are a number of ways to build wealth and financial security with real estate. One way is to buy a home to live in. As the value of your home appreciates over time, you will build equity. You can also refinance your mortgage to take out cash, which you can use to invest in other properties or businesses. Another way to build wealth and financial security with real estate is to invest in rental properties. Rental properties can generate income through rental income, which can help you to pay down your mortgage and build equity. You can also sell your rental properties for a profit in the future. Conclusion. Real estate is a powerful wealth-building tool that can be to build wealth and financial security and achieve a variety of financial goals. There are a number of different ways to invest in real estate, so it is important to do your research and choose the investment strategy that is right for you. But it's important to understand the basics of the real estate market and the different types of real estate investments before you get started. Congratulations! You've just completed Mastering Real Estate, your ultimate guide to financial success. Now it's time to take action and start applying these insights in your own real estate journey. Remember, success in real estate is not just about knowledge, but about taking consistent action. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who can benefit from these insights. Until next time, it's your turn to succeed in real estate. So happy selling and buying in the world of real estate.